Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you learn basic programming or coding on ChatGPT completely free. So with here you can learn the basics of whatever language you want to go over and choose. So for here, let's try and go on over and learn Python coding language. So for this site, it's just chat.openai.com. You have to go on over and create an account for this, and you should be good to go. It's completely free, guys, so don't worry. So for this one, you just have to go on over and ask ChatGPT to help you in uh, that certain language. So for example, right there. So in here, it will actually teach you how you can first start off installing Python. You also have the links here, so you can download the needed files and text editors. So once you're here, you just have to go on over and follow all of this. You also have the learning resources here and the basic concepts as well. So you're good to go with this, guys. And you can also ask ChatGPT to go on over and link you to certain courses. This, as you can see here, they ChatGPT will actually suggest you on a couple of different sites, so you can learn the certain language much more efficiently. You can also ask ChatGPT to code you a random uh, program. So, for example, that as you can see, this will actually go on over and generate a random code for you so you can learn this as well. It also teaches you on how you can save this and run it using the Python interpreter. So okay guys, that is basically it. That is how you can learn coding in ChatGPT. So okay guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.